It is no secret that friendship is one of the main pillars of a happy, fulfilled life. But how do we ensure that these friendships are meaningful and remain so over the years? The answer lies in the way we nurture and develop them. In this video, we will be discussing 12 strategies to help you build meaningful friendships that last. From improving your social skills to learning how to listen and understand others, these tips will help you cultivate strong relationships. Additionally, we will discuss the importance of communication, trust and of course, fun. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of how to build meaningful friendships. And you will be well on your way to developing strong, lasting bonds. 1. Develop common interests. In order to build meaningful friendships, you need to have something to talk about and share. Developing common interests provides the perfect opportunity to learn more about one another and to bond over things that make you both happy. By exchanging ideas and exploring new activities together, you can create a stronger connection and expand your horizons. 2. Spend quality time with friends. Spending quality time with friends is an important part of nurturing meaningful relationships. Whether it is meeting up for coffee, taking a cooking class, or going to the movies, quality time with your friends can help to create strong bonds of friendship. Set up a regular schedule to meet up with friends, or send them an invite to a group activity. This can help to ensure that you are able to dedicate the right amount of focus and attention to your friends and make the most of your time together. 3. Reach out regularly. Building meaningful friendships takes effort and dedication, and the best way to show that is by staying in touch with your friends. Make sure to reach out to them on a regular basis, even if it's just to check in and see how they're doing. Depending on your friends' availability, you could arrange to meet up in person every now and then, or catch up over the phone or a video call. When you actively make an effort to stay in touch with people, it shows you care and value your friendship. 4. Listen to and understand one another. Listening is fundamental to creating a meaningful friendship. It means taking the time to truly understand and empathize with the other person. It means listening without interruption and without judgment. When we listen and try to understand, it shows that we care about and respect the person we are speaking with. We should also be mindful of the language we use, and make sure to be inclusive and respectful. Listening and understanding is the foundation for any good relationship, and it is especially important in building meaningful friendships. 5. Show compassion and empathy. Showing compassion and empathy is an essential part of building meaningful friendships. When we take the time to understand our friends and their experiences, we can gain invaluable insight into their lives and better empathize with them. This type of compassion encourages meaningful conversations and helps us build trust and genuine connections. By being empathetic, we can show our friends that we care and are there for them when they need us. 6. Respect differences. Respect is a cornerstone of successful relationships. Everyone is unique, with a different set of values, beliefs, and perspectives. When we respect the differences, we can build meaningful relationships with the people around us. We should give people the benefit of the doubt and be open to different views. We should also be mindful that our words and actions, especially those of a critical nature, might not be received in the way we intended. When we keep an open mind, we can learn from each other and create strong connections. 7. Share experiences. Share experiences with your friends to help build meaningful relationships. This can range from doing activities together to simply having conversations about what's going on in each other's lives. Seek out experiences that you can share with your friends, such as going to a museum, booking a cooking class, or taking a day trip. When you share an experience with a friend, it helps create a deeper bond between the two of you and can serve as an opportunity to learn more about each other. 8. Offer support and encouragement. Offering support and encouragement is an essential part of any meaningful friendship. Not only does it show your friend that you care about them, it can also be a great source of motivation and self-esteem. To offer support and encouragement, take the time to listen to your friend's thoughts, feelings, and ideas, and offer positive and constructive feedback. Be sure to also let your friend know that you believe in them and will be there for them when they need it. Additionally, don't forget to celebrate your friend's successes and accomplishments. Doing so will strengthen your bond and show them that you are truly invested in their life. 9. Respect boundaries. Respect the boundaries of your friends, and make sure they respect yours. Make sure to ask your friends what they're comfortable with and make sure you're respectful of their answers. Everyone has different boundaries and it is important to respect them. Respect their privacy, space, and opinions. Respect the boundaries of the friendship and work to create a healthy, comfortable atmosphere for both of you. 10. Make time for friendship. Building meaningful friendships often requires that you make time for them. Even if you have a busy schedule, make sure you find the time to reach out to your friends and make plans. Schedule time in your calendar to spend time with them, whether it's meeting up for dinner, attending a class together, or exercising. If you can make time for your other commitments, you can make time for your friends too. 11. Be open and transparent about your own life. By being open and transparent about your own life, you can create a safe space for yourself where you can share your experiences without fear of judgment or criticism. You can also learn from the experiences of others by listening to their stories and understanding their perspectives. This openness will help you develop empathy for those around you, as well as gain insight into how different people think and feel. 12. Be willing to apologize and forgive. Apologizing and forgiving are two of the most important skills we can learn in life. They help us to build strong relationships with others, as well as to maintain our own mental health and well-being. Apologizing when we have wronged someone is a sign of respect and humility, while forgiving those who have wronged us is a sign of strength and resilience. By being willing to apologize and forgive, we can create an environment of understanding, trust, and mutual respect. Building meaningful friendships takes time and effort, but it's worth every minute. With a few simple tips, like being kind and being a good listener, you can start to build strong and lasting relationships with your friends. Remember to be yourself, be honest, and be willing to invest in your friendships. With a bit of effort, you can create friendships that last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.